Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to wash your hair while it's in box braids. You can use this method for basically any types of braids. You want to start off by sectioning your hair in as many sections as you prefer to easily access your scalp. Take your warm water, spray it all over your scalp as you scrub it in. This ensures that it's evenly spread throughout the hair. Also spray it through the length of your hair. Make sure your hair is fully drenched in preparation for the shampoo. Take your shampoo. Any cheap shampoo is okay as long as it's moisturizing. So for me, I am using my DIY African black soap. You want to rub it in to loosen the dirt. Make sure you also apply it through your edges and rub it in gently to release all the dirt residues like gel or edge control. I'm then taking my moisturizing shampoo, Creme of Nature, which I have mixed with some water to make it watery so that it can easily absorb through the strands of my hair as I have braids on. Rub it through the whole length of your hair, even the ends. Then repeat the same process on the other sections. So I rinsed off my hair off camera and tied it with a towel to soak up the excess water before I can start off my deep conditioning routine. So I start by sectioning my hair as usual. I always section my hair in 4 pieces. This allows me to evenly distribute the conditioner throughout my whole hair. Start off by applying the deep conditioner on the roots, where you have the new hair growth. And I always dilute my deep conditioners. This allows it to easily absorb through the strands and also avoids unnecessary buildup, since you know your hair is actually in braids. It has an extension in it. Apply it all over your edges. Never forget to moisturize your edges so to ensure that they don't break off. On the length of my hair, I sprayed a mixture of deep conditioner and water. So basically this conditioner is super dilute. I put more water than conditioner. Then you rub it in so that it can easily absorb into the strands, since your strands are in braids. Make sure you spray it into every single strand, no strands left behind. Then I tied my hair, put it into a shower cap and under portable hooded dryer to allow for the deep conditioner to penetrate into my strands. After 30 minutes of deep conditioning, I went into the shower and rinsed off the conditioner and tied it with a towel. The final result is hair that is clean, moisturized, and smells great too. Hope you liked this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye!